Hello. There is no greater fear in the world than the fear of uncertainty. We must understand that our basic humanity operates on knowing that we can control our lives to a certain extent, to pursue happiness from our efforts. But we wake up today into a planet Earth that is uncertain. We face this uncertainty with different base educational values and racial segregation of different levels that work only in a controlled and predetermined environment. But today's environment has changed and directed by uncertain leaderships all over the world. So we turn to other forms to find solutions and answers, some through faith, and some to the past to find faults and to make amends. We turn to basic levels of existence in violence or anger. We become lost and spiral into a position that becomes almost impossible to get out from. Then comes more blame and anger. We try to find comfort in crowds to feel normality again, but we are still alone. We forget that as individual sentient human beings, we are our own saviors. We all have the ability to perceive knowledge to find a way. In this new era, knowledge is power. Seeking the truth and how systems work is the answer. As individuals, you must seek the knowledge that pertains to you and your life, starting first with yourself. We cannot just divide assumptions of different levels of understanding. Some are pushed to their limits, hence are fighting. Some are still well provided for, hence are asking for calm. The thing is, it doesn't matter about them. It matters about you. You can make a choice about your life. Understand your own world around yourself, your immediate surroundings. How can you be better in those surroundings? Seek with the little time left to change and start contributing to earning a good karma, and life will be better. A single stationary candle cannot light the whole room. But if each stationary candle lights themselves, the whole room will be pleasant. My heart and thoughts go out to all of those who are suffering. Reach inside to strengthen yourselves. The answers are there. To bring the world out of its vicious cycle, strength comes from each one of us, not only a crowd. Meditate not for everyone or for a purpose. Meditate for yourself and light your own fire. There is no greater wealth in the world than a knowledgeable, mindful mind and a new beginning in this new world.